Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today we are comparing two popular power supplies, the Segotep 650W and the CORSAIR RM850X. Both are 80 PLS Gold certified, ensuring high efficiency, but they cater to different needs and budgets. The Segotep 650W is a non-modular power supply that offers reliable performance for gaming and general use, while the CORSAIR RM850X is a fully modular unit designed for high-performance systems. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. The Segotep 650W features a non-modular design, which means all cables are fixed and can lead to cable clutter inside your case. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM850X offers a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need. This not only simplifies installation, but also enhances airflow and aesthetics within the build. For those who prioritize clean cable management, the RM850X is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to wattage, the CORSAIR RM850X outshines the Segotep 650W with its higher capacity of 850W compared to the Segotep's 650W. This additional wattage allows the RM850X to support more demanding components and high-end gaming setups, making it a better choice for power-hungry systems. If you're planning to build a powerful rig, the RM850X is the way to go. In terms of cooling, the Segotep 650W is equipped with a 120mm silent fan, which operates quietly under load. However, the CORSAIR RM850X takes it a step further, with its 135mm magnetic levitation fan, designed for ultra-quiet operation and improved reliability. This advanced fan technology reduces noise levels significantly, making the RM850X a better option for users who value a quiet computing experience. In conclusion, both the Segotep 650W and CORSAIR RM850X have their strengths and weaknesses. The Segotep is a solid choice for budget-conscious users who need reliable power, while the CORSAIR RM850X is ideal for those seeking high performance, modularity, and quiet operation. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your specific needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.